Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Shein or creating an account so your addresses and payment methods save. Once logged in, make sure your shipping country and currency are correct to avoid price surprises. Switch size system to match your region. Add items you want into the cart, selecting exact size, color, and quantity. Take a moment to read 1 or 2 reviews for fit and fabric. When your cart looks right, proceed to checkout to begin payment and shipping selection. You move through checkout by first picking a shipping option, standard versus expedited, because cost and delivery windows differ. Next, confirm both shipping and billing addresses. Make sure apartment numbers and postal codes are accurate to prevent delays. Then apply any promo codes, gift cards, or loyalty points before final pricing. The discount line updates instantly. Finally, select a payment method, review taxes and shipping fees, and double-check the order summary so you won't have to edit after placing the order. You finish by completing payment, card, PayPal, or other accepted methods, and immediately note the order confirmation number and email. Once your order ships, use the tracking link to monitor transit and expected delivery date so you're available for delivery. Inspect items on arrival for defects or sizing issues. Keep original packaging and photos if you need to return. If something goes wrong, contact Shein's support within the return window. Provide order details and photos, and request refund or exchange following their policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.